This is Mommy dancing for Quinny to Girlfriend. Right, Quinny? Think you need a new one? Is Mommy's dancing that funny? It is? And what's this? This is her banana puffs that she loves. Is Mommy's dancing that funny? It is? What? You're going to end up spitting up. What would Nana say? You're going to spit up. Is that funny? I'm going to get you. You're a happy girl. What's so funny? Is Mommy funny? I got you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You're a happy girl. Today is March 10th, 2009. Oh, Girlfriend's over. Do I hear a little bit of Laffy Taffy? Do I hear Laffy Taffy? It's a good thing this camera's not pointed on Mommy. Woo! You're going to end up crying. That's what happens when somebody starts laughing like this. Or the hiccups. Okay. Mommy's got to cook din din. We're signing out. Mommy and Quinny Quinn.